Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to launch a web server in AWS cloud using AWS Linux EC2 instance. Okay, let's try to begin. I'm already in EC2 instance console here. I'm going to launch the instance. So I'm giving here my web server name as my web server, the name and tag, and I'm choosing this is the machine type I'm using. This is the Amazon machine image I'm choosing as Amazon Linux and under that I'm choosing a free tier eligible. It will not cost you anything. And I'm choosing T2 micro since it is for purely for learning purpose. You no need to try anything differently. And I have already my keeper created and the security group everything already pre-configured. So please be sure that the keeper you create and configure the security group accordingly. So here what I'm choosing, I'm going to choose my uh, default my T3. This is the keeper. I'm going to use it. And the second thing I'm going to use it my existing security group as the default one. I have the default one which has configured already, and leave the configuration storage everything as is, so it will not going to cost so much, because after this demo I'm going to destroy this EC2 instance. So when you expand to advanced details, you can leave it as is. You don't need to touch anything in the settings in particular. So you can move forward as is. You don't need to touch anything. And if you come down straight away and simply launch the instance. Okay, so now the instance is in progress, or it's about to launch it. If you double click that, you can understand the instance is being loaded. Okay, instance is ready so fast. It's a good news for us. The next thing is, if you click the instance here, since it's already started and it's running status, if you click the instance, so now you can see the connect option, right? Like if you click the connect, you will see the different options to launch the instance. Here you can see EC2 Instance Connect, Session Manager, Session Client, EC2 Serial Console. So let us try to connect this EC2 instance using EC2 Instance Connect. This is my public IP address for that instance to connect. This is the default username. Leave as is everything. No need to bother those things. And click the connect button here. When you click the connect button, you will see it's about to launch the instance. Now you are connected with the default user, EC2 user. Okay, now we need to update the Apache HTTP daemon here. So for that I'm getting into superuser using sudo command. Now let us install HTTPD. Okay, this is the first step, and it will prompt you to confirm it. So just confirm it. Now my HTTPD is installed. The Apache is ready, but you can check the service status of HTTPD. Now I think okay. Okay. Um, yeah, so this is the command we can understand, I believe. Okay, so this is the command you need to check it out. Service httpd status. Actually, if you go back to the instance, so status, you see here, you will come to know the status, but presently the status is inactive because we didn't start the process yet. But before doing that, let us create a dummy directory. uh, so in this dummy directory, what we are going to do, one template, uh, free um, website page, I will download it for our demo purpose. So to get to know that, so you can go, type free css templates. You can download it here from this one. I'm going to download one sample here. For example, let's try this one. Okay, this one I'm going to try. Okay, this project, Carvilla service. So once you navigate and hover it into this download button, right click here and copy this link address. Once you copy it successfully, just come back here, and this temporary folder, we are going to get that project files. Okay, so once you click that, you'll get the zip file here. Once the zip file is downloaded successfully, use unzip command to unzip completely. Once it is done, just type list command to ensure that the project file has been successfully unzipped. Okay, now get into the project folder. So you will see uh, all project related files, index file, readme text files, and an entire bunch of files here related to the project. Now we need to move all this file to web hosting www folder. Okay, so for that reason, I'm using move command. Move star entire files we are going to copy from this project to the var html, okay, folder. Okay, now whether it is completely moved into this web hosting, this html folder, let's try to double check that. Yeah, this project, whatever we downloaded and moved from the temp folder to this html folder. Now we are ready. Now the next and final command what you need to do is we need to start the demo Apache server, right? So for that we have the command already. So a service http status, instead of status, let us use start. Okay, and now the status Apache service has been started. Now let us try to verify the status is running, up and running. Okay, so now you can see the Apache service is active and it's up and running. Now this is the right time to launch the web server. Is successfully launching the application whatever we have hosted. Okay, let's go back and grab the public IP here, copy this IP and try to open a new session and launch it here. So there you go, we have successfully applied the application and hosted in the web server, and the service is running in the background, and we could able to successfully launch the web application. This is how we can launch the web application in AWS cloud with AWS Linux Instance, okay, OS. Okay, I think this video is really useful. It's a demo purpose I've created for you guys to benefit it. So now the last thing is, let us try to terminate the instance, because this is no more required for us. So let us try to terminate the instance. So let's go back to the EC2 section and go to the instance which is running here. Click here and straight away go to the instance status and terminate and delete the instance. So it's better to stop the instance and terminate. It's a good practice. Okay, even you can directly terminate also fine, but it's better practice to stop the instance and ensure that it stops successfully, and thereafter we can terminate the instance. Okay, now the instance has been stopped. If I try to check it out, you will see uh, this stopped instance I'm going to terminate, because you can see the other instance which I have terminated some time ago, so you don't need to confuse. This is the stopped instance we are about to terminate it. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay. Yeah, now the instance is successfully stopped. Now this is the time to terminate it completely. So you can terminate it. Okay, this is a confirmation. There you go, the instance has been successfully terminated. It will immediately shut down first and it will terminate it thereafter. Okay, I think hope this video is really helpful for you to build a web application and launch it in AWS cloud using AWS Linux OS. And if you follow my instruction, you can easily you can good to launch the web application easily. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and let me know for any questions. Thank you.